Hello and welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Grammy Award-winning artist Buju Banton gives back to disenfranchised boys. Buju Banton Foundation, in partnership with WePay, today handed over gift cards to wards of the state from the Mount Olivet Boys Home and the Sunbeams Children's Home. The handover ceremony was held this morning at Buju's studio, where 20 boys were gifted with preloaded WePay cards valued at US $1,000 each for a total $2 million under the WeCare banner. The reggae icon Buju Banton shared his joy in fulfilling his promise to the boys.
I want to thank you very much for being here today. It's a monumentous day for us all. I'm standing here with representative of WePay, Mr. Alwyn, and representative of the Sunbeam Boys Home and the Mount Olivet Boys Home. Today is a great day for us because we have boys who are now leaving the facility and going out into the open world, where we're also enabling them to be responsible citizens and financially capable of navigating the road of life, yeah? And this is the grand finale. Mr. Kenneth. Okay. I hope you both have the sufficient and the supplied amount, as was promised. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day. And continue doing what you do for my boys. Sure. Love you. Yes. All right.
Banton has made it his personal mission to help the underprivileged boys. Now, both the Mount Olivet Boys Home in Manchester and the Sunbeam Children's Home in St. Catherine have been sponsored by the Buju Banton Foundation over the years. GATFest is to screen 19 international films. The 11th staging of the Greater Augustown Film Festival, GATFest, was recently launched in Kingston. The festival, set to begin next week, will run for a record 16 days and will see 51 films being screened, of which 19 are international films. Past festival director and UWI Mona Deputy Principal Ian Boxill says the world of film is wide and vast, and GATFest is embracing this.
We have over the years been accustomed to watching films largely coming out of the United States and Europe, and that is good. But there are stories coming from many parts of the world. I found myself watching films from Turkey, from India, and from Japan, and all over the world, many places that we would not normally have been exposed to. And those are other voices, other stories, and we have our own voices. And to quote another African proverb, which goes, "Don't set sail on someone else's star." And I think GATFest allows us to do that. It allows us to have a different voice and to be part of those multiple stories that exist out there.
Now, GATFest started in 2013 and included films from inner city youths who graduated from the film project. Boxill says its sustainability model allowed it to now reach to this stage.
Over the years, we've been able to see GATFest being sustained from ensuring that those persons who have an idea but limited resources can indeed be part of something larger than themselves.
The films will be screened at Palace Cineplex, Sovereign Center, in partnership with the embassies and consulates of Canada, Spain, Japan, Colombia, Germany, France, Mexico, and the Dominican Republic from June 19 to July 2, and is free to the public. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.